to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger.
Yo, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Feels like it's been a while since we've been here, but locked and loaded, ready for New York. We got some volume, we got some news. It's going to be a good day on the markets. How you feeling, Chris?
I'm feeling good. Like I said, it actually feels like we've never traded New York before. So I guess it's always like your first beer. Feels like the first time.
Hey, that's it, guys. So you know we're going to ramp it up a little bit, yeah. New York, as you say, always providing the volume, locked in for it, so going to be a good one. But before we get into any of the good stuff, before we talk about the news, anything like that, Chris, will you open us up with prayer, bro?
I will. I just want to get your screen on here for some reason. Keegan's screen. Okay, there, we've got it back. Yeah, Chad, let's get ready. Yeah, Father, we just want to thank you for the session. Thank you for bringing us all back safely. Thank you for a new month. I pray that you will be with Keegan as he leads us into the session. I pray that you will be with each and every member watching us and joining us live here today, Father. We just want to thank you for each and every blessing, your grace that is upon our lives, upon our business. I pray that you will protect us. I pray that you will form a hedge of protection around us, our families, our businesses, our friends. And I pray this collectively for everyone here listening to our voice, watching these streams. I really pray this for each and every one of us as a team, as a collective. And we pray this and we ask this, Father, not because we deserve any of it, but purely because of your grace and your abundant mercies that are new every single day. And I pray this and I ask this in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe this, Chad, you can drop an amen right now. Amen.
Amen. There we have it, Chad. So we are locked in. I hope you guys are ready for this one. It is going to be good. Markets moving very, very nicely. I know, Keys, you were right on gold. Appreciate it, bro. But yeah, I think let's get right into it, guys. We're going to obviously start off with the fundamentals, see what's happening there. So obviously, you're looking at it, guys. You have PMI coming out. So 4 p.m. That's what we're going to focus on. ISM manufacturing PMI. Again, they are expecting it to come out a little bit higher. I think we could get the high number. I won't lie. I think we can. I don't think it's going to be like a break-in the record type of thing number. But I do think it will come out around about there. Around about basically what it's forecast as. That's just what I'm looking at quickly off the charts. But again, that's at 4 o'clock. So maybe we already should have our trade with the T2 and everything locked in before that time comes. So let's go to the charts. What are we looking at? So DXY, guys, as we spoke about, pretty much looking for that bullish move. We wanted to see the move to 101.550. This is the area we wanted to see getting tested, and still coming a bit down a little bit. So we traded nice and bullishly, taking out that previous daily high, previous weekly high, and then basically failing after that. So we broke above how there's support, but this ran out of momentum, coming back down. Now we're all the way here at the EQ daily pivot. So as I say with DXY, this is where it's going to need to hold it if it wants to continue bullish. Otherwise, this was our moves, and from here on we're going to see the DXY start to fall. Again, we're going to go back over to what I was talking about later with the strat, with gold this morning and all that. So we'll get into that good stuff. But if DXY fails anywhere around what Asia lows, I think that will be the end of the dollar. Then with the NASDAQ, guys, we spoke about it, the bearish move here today. We wanted to say, obviously, the fact we couldn't get away from this area. We spoke about it, how much this level's been holding us, keeping us there. Want to trade bearish now, holding here, taking this out, testing these lows we can see over here, holding the daily S2, but still the AM looking more bearish. The fact we tested this daily S2, and then since then we still haven't been able to get away, just retesting Asia lows, and still in that bearish movement. I'd really would still love to see the big bearish push now come in. So we're going to see about that one over there. Again, we'll line up very nicely if DXY goes higher again. Now with USD, guys, remember we said we are bullish, but we had that neutral outlook because we said we wanted to see the pullback, rejection of this zone over here, and we can see this zone we wanted the retest of all the way back down to here. Came back perfectly at the moment, and we are getting that retest. Now the big thing for me is I'm still going to stay bearish. Reason being, you've now had this break, testing that level, but as we can see, USD pulling back up, testing that weekly pivot, and I think if this holds, it's going to go very nicely. Again, lining up with what we are seeing with DXY. So good chance we can trade bullish. Reason being, we just don't have a retest of this Asia low since the break. So again, this can trade all the way back up to previous daily lows, or Asia lows, to even find resistance before coming back bearish. Otherwise, it can, as we say, literally just testing now the weekly pivot, and it can mount off after that. So going to be a bit maybe aggressive. I think USD is going to run today. It's just a case of can we get in, or is it going to run without us? Then lastly with gold, as I said, guys, we wanted to see the bearish move, and now as I said to you guys, we are bearish long term, but we're also expecting certain moves to happen. So as much as we're bearish, we spoke about that retest coming all the way back down, testing the weekly S1. Now on that test of the weekly S1, we could see the test, very aggressive push away from it, but still closing under these lows. So as much as we also want to say we are bullish, we're going to be looking at the bearish move as well. Again, the strat falling literally a little bit shorter. If you guys were in this morning, we literally got nipped over here. If I can just find this here for you guys, we basically entered, I think it was on this candle over there, and yeah, literally just 3 candles hit our stop, consolidated, and there came the big sell-off. So unfortunately, that's just trading, that's part of the game. But now I want to say yes, there's a point I want to look for the sell, but there is still a point I would actually look for the buys, and that's purely because I was just understanding that I wanted this move to happen to allow for the pullback, and now we can continue bullish after that. But if this does hold this way it's going now, I am going to be looking for the sells. So going to be an interesting one, but again, still, now that we have had this, still am looking more to the bearish side on the market for gold as well. But that's pretty much everything from my side. Chris, over to you, bro.
Beautiful, thanks Keeks. Alrighty, chat. Let's quickly check fundamentals. PMI expecting a high print here. Alright, 50 minutes, hopefully in and out before then. Just looking currently how the markets are pricing, it is looking very, very interesting. DXY taking out the previous weekly high and now completely reversing. That is very, very odd and interesting at the same time. Yeah, Chad, it is a bit of a balls up week here with North America being offline yesterday, and obviously Europe being online. So dollar for me, as mentioned, I told you guys, I was looking at the previous daily high, and if we were holding this level, I was going to remain bullish for the day. But however, now coming back below it, Asia lows now untested, I'm actually expecting range day, Chad. Believe it or not, I'm expecting something like this, and I think they're going to park it here, Chad, just purely with the volume that's going to come through from North America. Remember, these guys haven't traded now for almost 3 days, going on 4 days, so long weekend for them, and I'm going to be relatively neutral on the dollar. US 30, another interesting one for me. I told you guys I was bullish, believe it or not, bullish on the day. I was expecting us to flip bullish at one stage. No top wick there. It just feels right to try and buy it here from this weekly pivot. I don't know what Keeks would say, but it feels right. I think if we can hold this weekly pivot, almost down 0.5%, if we can hold this weekly pivot, and the next move is going to be holding above the daily S2, then we can go from the daily S2 to retest this previous daily low, and then back to Asia lows. So Asia lows being untested, Asia highs being just barely tested, is giving me some indication that I feel like the longs are on, Chad. I feel like the longs are potentially on. I can be wrong. It's just going to feel a lot more comfortable for me taking the longs. But we're going to have to take it zone by zone, Chad. We're going to have to build layer on layer. If we go through the daily S3, then obviously that's some uncharted territory. I'm not really going to get stuck into any shorts here, believe it or not. NASDAQ, daily, I mentioned to you guys I was bullish as well. Bullish if we could hold the zone. Breaking yesterday's low, is this the fake out for the rest of the week? I don't know. But just looking at it, Asia highs barely nipped. Trading below the daily EQ, trading below that daily pivot. Now rejecting the previous daily low. And for me, it's very, very simple. If NASDAQ cannot get above this level here, I think it's going to die for the rest of the day. Already almost down 1%. I'm going to try and see what we can get on New Squawk now. But for me, ideally, anything bullish is going to need to look like that. Otherwise, all of this is going to be resistance. Gold, on the other hand, very messy as well. Keegan taking a stab at it earlier this morning, and then that move coming down. But gold for me is, again, very, very simple. This 2500 has been a key level. The daily pivot, the EQ, the 200 EMA. So bullish above here. All right, bullish above. And if we reject, I'm going to go bearish. And the daily flip zone is also there. Let me just make sure. Yeah, daily flip is also there. So quite a bit of movement around that level, Chad, but gold looking very ugly. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It is not looking clean at all, the way it's trading now, but we're going to take our stabs at it and see where we go from there. Chad, beautiful. Another trade here this morning on the JSE. Low-hanging fruit. We clipped it here this morning. And I told you guys if we can break below your retest, I don't think I would have gotten a retest there, but I said we can go to the daily weekly S2. From there we went on to the daily S3. So for the guys that didn't get in on that, actually a trade shared this morning, and just want to show you guys, there was the trade shared on stream. There was the actual result. So beautiful trade. Didn't take a lot off the table, but that was the plan. So but looking forward to the cracker today. And Keegs, over to you, my brother.
Yeah, we're going to see what's going to happen here, guys. I'm just locking it in here as well.
Just want to throw you from Nila. Nila planting some big seeds here.
Oh, Nila. Shot for the dono, my brother. We just want to lock it in, get some live money in the DGen account. We want to get that loaded as well.
But I feel like these lights are very bright today. It was, I don't know if my eyes are just sensitive. I'm going to need to get some Botox done after a while, yeah.
Oh.
What is a cracker doing? Oh, no.
It wants us to sell. I'm happy with the sell, guys. Is that right?
Yeah.
It does want to sell. Oh boy. Don't do this now, Chris. Alright. I'm gonna be with you guys now, Chad. Just got
Should
in.
we not look at Kuwait Kings? Now my eyes are even watching a little bit, yeah. Kings.
Yeah,
What are we
asking
doing,
me for this one?
Selling a weekly low. Dude, I honestly might even wait for it to just go back to Asia lows before I sell. I don't know. Yes. Chad, remember we're going to be trading like a Monday, eh? So treat today almost like a Monday. That's all I'm saying. What is going on with my eyes, dude?
Alright. It's always so when you watch that payment go off.
And you're saying you like to sell? Yes, third day.
Remember, I am bearish on it.
Yo.
Chris, you're gonna... What keys you're gonna need to get Chris a thong after the snap?
Let's not even talk about that, Chad. That's a topic for...
Mine says bar. These different ones are pissing me off. Deleting the that one. Ethan, what are you looking at though, bro? Because myself and Chris, what chart are you on? I'm on an ender, and it does show a sell. Remember, we're doing the V2, hey, not the V1. Just so we are on the same page, yeah.
Yo, kicks. Darius.
I have an ender as a sell. Yeah, I think Ethan. Remember, we're just doing a V2, hey, not V1.
Version 2.0. Damn. Chad, I'm building up a nice P here for that TP, so let me actually grab some more water here.
Nah,
so
bro.
you're liking the sell. Damn, that sell. I don't know, bro. That
Maybe we get ourselves in a nice swing position,
that
yeah.
retail trader in me wants to buy.
We get ourselves in a nice swing position, Chad. Then we solid. Oof. This song's a vibe.
Dude, are we really selling the weekly low? I want to hold that P for 2 minutes before so we can keep that TP energy. I want to really bring... Nah, Kicks, it's a sell. It's a sell. Chad, I would love for it to pull back to the previous daily low. And they're beautiful. But... Brian, so thank you for that link, brother. I'm gonna still watch it. Hopefully tonight. Yesterday night I was not feeling great. Chris going for that orbitals. Now let's see how that orb is power. We're using that orb on the JSE, just adding that layer of the Hang Seng. That orb has been this week basically 3 for 3. So the orb is orbalicious.
Orbalicious now, bro.
Orbacious. It's short anyway, it's nothing special, that clip. Brian said telling me that was a sales pitch, full on sales pitch for his masterclass. I don't know why the guys don't just give it away for free and just say like, bro, here's a mentorship. Why? I don't know. Everything is like gate kept.
Bro, you know what I'm going to be looking for, eh? This will work so beautifully. I was on the 5-minute not focusing, my bad. Hey, Ethan. But yeah, guys, we are basically 7 minutes, 6.5 minutes. Let's lock in. Thanks, Angel. Chris, one thing about the snip, you'll never have the Poseidon's kiss, eh?
Oh, Chad, that thing on Friday, I just want to get it over with. Flip sakes. I just want to get it over with.
Chris, and I'm just saying, bro. So, Chris knows, guys, how I'm taking the T2 over to gold.
Solid gold.
Would have been perfect. Would have been a 9% trade.
Wait, the sell or the buy?
The bar, 9%.
Okay, wait. Would you? Okay, I thought like we do with the firecracker.
No.
Okay, Stouffer.
I promise you, bro. I think I'm
Huge
really
Stouffer.
gonna focus on that.
Stouffer dropped the P.
Sheesh, thanks for being you. Hey. Stove, you're gonna make us blush, bro.
Alian, did you get the snip, my brother? Chad, let me go pee quick. Alian, did you get the snip? Chris, I got the snip 13 years ago. In and out, and I drove myself home. Hey, brother, in and out. That's the issue. In and out. Wow, Chad, that snip. Pray for me. Pray for me.
From man to Mangina in 30 minutes.
Chad, pray for me. Hey, man, flip. I told my wife as well. We were chatting during lunchtime, and she's like, "Oh, ek sê so bang bro, ek sê, hey, liefie, is 'n sensitiewe gedeelte van die liggaam is I'm not going for a knee op. This is it's a delicate part of the body. It's a delicate part of the body." Okay, let's go pee quick. What time? Okay, 3 minutes.
Yeah, bro, you definitely can't take longer than 3 minutes to pee. Guys, that was the first time I ever saw that. I don't know if you guys seen that. If your YouTube like disconnects or has a problem with the chat, it pops up like a little monkey, like with a hammer. Like he's got his little worker's hat on and his little hammer and stuff, and then like there's an error or something they're busy fixing it. Have you guys seen that before? That's the first time I just saw that pop up on my screen. One of the G's gonna have the one genus. Yeah, guys. Time to pick on Chris because of the snip. Yeah, the monkey has been there for a while. Really? I just refreshed mine and the monkey's gone now. Hectic. I would have really liked the cells above. But we still looking at the cells. Yeah, guys, I really do like the cells. As I said, you guys know I'm neutral here. I've been saying I want the cells, a nice pullback. Like this thing can literally go to like down here, guys. Like this can be a beautiful move today. Like literally even I'd say down to, yeah, like this can be a big move, but literally 47.50, like this could be big. Not today I'm saying, but like if you wanted to hold this type of trade. Monkey comes out when the video doesn't load. Okay. It needs a big pullback to break all time. Yeah, exactly, Peter. So I think you're seeing the same thing I'm seeing. Alright. 1 minute. I saw on TFT Discord it had a post that said if it gets to 1,500, Angelo will make a comeback.
What did it say?
If it gets 1,500 likes, Angelo will make a comeback.
I don't think the people want Angelo.
They're going to give 1,500 dislikes. Alright, guys. 40 seconds. Oh, boy. Actually, guys, I'm sorry. I'm making the call. I'd rather wait for gold. If this thing runs off the rip, I'm not taking it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Guys, I'm announcing it because I've said to you guys, I am doing damage control from last week.
Yeah,
if this thing runs, I'm not taking a risky entry. Like, I'm not going to. It can run with me afterwards, and I don't be in it.
I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm
if
happy.
this thing takes off the rip,
I'm making
not
the
going
call.
for it.
I'm making the call. I'm not even taking it. I'm not taking the T2 today. I'm gonna do something else.
If this thing goes off the rip, I'm not taking it. Alright, guys. Markets are open for the first time this week. We got NYSE Wall Street sessions, but it is round 3, meant to be 3. Technically, yeah, 3. And markets are open.
Keys, if we close like this, we technically have to take it in the next 30 seconds.
This I'm actually okay with. I'll give it a little bit more, but I'm okay with. I'm going to wait for something.
So you're not going to take it on the close of this?
No.
Okay. So we're waiting for the same thing.
I'm protesting.
So we're waiting for the same thing. Am I correct in saying
test.
that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm happy with
I'm waiting
that.
for the test, guys. I'm breaking the rule. I'm a rebel today. I'm protesting.
I'm just going to measure it for myself because as soon as this candle closed, we should have actually been in a sell. So I want to check it. I'm not taking it. So in the sell now. Not taking it. Just letting you guys know. But the standard rules of engagement is the sell. And let's see.
Okay, guys, I'm just interested because this thing is volatile. I also just want to see, like,
Just put something there.
I'll put something. I'm not in it. I'll tell you guys when I am. I just want to see. You know, breakers, this is like, that's Murphy's Law. Like, this is the day we don't take it or something. Then we won't.
Dude, even if it runs, I'm happy. There's just too much in me that is telling me, as much as the strategy is mechanical,
yeah,
it makes 0 sense to sell the weekly low after a long weekend. 0 cents.
I get a retest, bro. I'm happy.
Are you gonna basically the break of the retest, the level?
If I get a
So
break,
do you want a rejection at that?
if I get a break, I'm selling. If I get a rejection, I'm selling.
Okay.
I get a break, I'm buying.
Oh, okay. That is aggressive. I like it.
Let's say, guys, I don't even know you can call it a T2 today. It's like I don't
as
know,
much
something else.
much as something's mechanical, you shouldn't throw away your just like your logical thinking as well.
Yeah.
All of those years of trading, like we can't just dismiss that.
So I'm protesting a bit yet today, but yeah.
If it works out, then I'll take it on the chin and we keep it moving. But
There's TP, bro.
oh. Okay, let's record it. I wanna see it, Chad. So I didn't take it. I just measured it for myself.
Just so guys can see.
I just measured it for myself, but it's something we can document. So let's see it play out first. Not TP yet, though.
No.
I think we would have gone break even though.
Yeah, we would have been break even.
But yeah, let's see. Now, dude, even if it works out today, I promise you there's zero FOMO in me. Zero. Like, yeah.
Nah, I'm waiting, bro.
Dude, it feels like my allergy.
Griffin, my brother, you just need to use the EYS indicator. There's a big gold sticker in the corner of your screen, and it reads the discount code.
Left centrical.
Oh, there it comes,
Yeah,
bro.
there it goes.
See?
Yeah, beautiful.
We're being clever here, Chad. We are
Oh,
adapting.
wait. Dude, my eyes. I don't know if it's this light. Like, you know, that big of eyes are so sensitive.
Are you gonna wait for the retest? So are you wanting a break or rejection?
No, so remember what I told you last time. I'm happy to take the cracker's direction, but I would wait for the rejection to go and retest the lows. I think it was a good call.
I think we get the rejection, we're good.
Yeah.
But I wanted the rejection. I wanted to touch.
Okay, maybe not more water. I'm gonna chill a little bit on the water. Like, Chad, I can't pee so much. You can't be eating all these
Come
TPs.
on.
Okay.
You're gonna take it with me on the rejection.
Yeah. Are you gonna wait for a double rejection, like a mini structure break?
Just
Or
one, bro.
Literally one.
One.
Okay. 1 2. Quanto for the 1 2.
Maybe two.
Previous daily low being tested now, my bro.
I'm gonna say two.
I honestly hope it's not my allergies flaring up here because my eyes are sensitive like you wouldn't believe, my bro.
Okay, so technically that would be a buy now. Technically.
No, on my side, not yet. It hasn't broken.
Mine's about to break. But
Mine
I
didn't-
want the
mine didn't
second
break.
candle.
Mine didn't break. Ooh,
Second candle's gonna show us.
little juice there on it. A little juice on it. Ooh, a little juicy. A little juice.
Yo. Yeah, this thing mustn't run now, bro. Like, I want to take it now, but... Bro, look at this, though. If we take it now, we're literally taking it at entry.
Yeah, see, that's
Bro,
the
imagine
that's
that's-
the bad thing, my bro.
No way.
Worst entry than a cracker.
Bro, come on.
So I'm gonna wait to see if we get a pullback. If we get a pullback, Chad, I'm gonna enter.
Am
If
I
not-
literally, because now Chad, technically I wanted entry over here, there. Now if I enter, I literally have a worse entry there.
Okay, Chad, I'm gonna go with my first stab. Took my first stab on it.
So I don't know if you want to put it in your screen, but you in first then, because mine's not active, I'm
okay.
not in.
Okay, Chad, let me just move my stop loss. So we actually got a worse entry than what we would have
Bro,
gotten.
that is... I don't even know what to say about that.
Okay, Chad, I'm gonna go on my screen now. Okay, yo, my eyes are sensitive. What is going on here? Chad, let me just
Are
go
we literally
over.
gonna get a worse entry? Is this really gonna happen to us today?
Okay, Chad, quick one, yeah. We're gonna have to get through this 200 though. Gonna be honest with you guys, we're gonna have to get through that 200 if we're gonna continue lower. So this 200, yeah, we're gonna need to break below that. Gonna need to break below, because technically we broke above, we tested it, and if this holds, we're gonna go all the way back up. We've seen this multiple times in the session. So if we cannot break it now after breaking above, we're gonna need to see the other side of it, break below, retest the back end of it, and then continue lower. Okay, is the news coming out? No, not yet. Okay, so looking good so far, looking
Bro, there's TP.
incredible.
Oh my jokes, bro.
Looking incredible so far, yeah. Let's see if we can bang it, yeah. Okay,
What a joke,
Chad,
bro.
I'm gonna go. It's so close to TP though, but it's
That
also
is
so
TP
close
there
to.
for me, bro.
It's just short of my TP. Let's see, yeah.
What a joke, bro. Oh my word.
Chad, I'm just gonna go ahead with how things are trading. Let's just go break even on this. Let's go break even. So making this.
I was gonna say, bro, I'm
break-even
putting a very
trade.
low risk on it, but I'm actually gonna take a shot at it where it is now.
Short.
Yeah, short.
Really?
Yeah.
Short. Okay.
Reason being, so Chad, I'll move my thing to where it is now, so you guys know where I am actually in.
I'm still in. Just going dab it, go. Oh, don't tell me it's one of those reversals. Go. Push. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, Chad, I'm at that thing literally. Oof, don't tell me it's one of those days. Please. Just go break the low. Hit the TP. I might get break even, yeah. I promise you. Because look left.
I'm just looking on a higher time frame quickly.
Chad, that thing was literally on my TP. I might get a break even, yeah. Yeah. FTM also froze, yeah. Might get a break even. Yeah, it's gonna be a break even trade. FTMO frozen. Still frozen. Is your FTMO open, my dude?
My FTMO?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, they just deleted my trade.
Huh?
The trade is just gone, my dude. Oh, they actually... Wait, bro, what is this? Today? Oh, yeah. Dude, it wasn't even close to my break even, but I'm at the break even, Chad. Check here, this is the weirdest shit I've seen in my life. Check here, history today.
Yeah.
I was in. Okay, I would have anyway. It stopped, but it didn't even show exit there. This thing was completely frozen. Dude, that is bad luck from me. Yeah, I'm gonna say again. Remember what I said last time, Chad? That thing was literally on my TP. That was silly from me. But anyway, it's not done yet though. Session is not done. If you locked it in, beautiful. That is a W. FTMO playing some tricks here today, but that's fine. Let's just do this quickly. Okay. This makes it weird now.
I think, bro, we are losing connection here because on one screen I'm seeing my trade, on a different screen I'm way in profits.
Yeah, no, it's pumping now.
Yeah. Bro, this is so weird. Even for me, like, yeah, now it's happening.
Chad, let's see ya. Opening. Chad, who locked in there though? I think it was a W trade for most of you.
Bro, but you know how funny that is, eh? So, technically, the logic, what we wanted to do,
worked out, but
worked out.
Yeah, slightly better entry. We would have been out here.
I want to just show you guys. Yeah, I'll see.
Wait, let me just throw on your screen. So actually, the firecracker worked.
The firecracker worked itself, but the entry Chris and myself wanted.
On what screen are you?
On the other one, I'm just doing that, but I wanted. Why isn't it loading onto the screen? That's weird. That's what I'm saying. My stuff's not. Okay, but technically, guys, I can show you just, it would have been there. So you can still even do your 60. But yeah, there's your 1-to-1. You would have already been out there. And literally almost no drawdown.
No reaction.
So that would have been an interesting one.
Dude, that is so weird. Should have been a TP, but anyways.
Bro, I'm still locked in for this gold thing, eh?
Oh yeah, look at gold.
Yeah.
Joe.
Like, I want to do gold, bro.
Okay, back to US 30. Back to regular viewing chat. Chad, I'm gonna look for aggressive entry once we get out of this previous daily low range. Once we get above here, Chad, I might start looking long. I'm just letting you guys know. But the shorts, I actually love the shorts here. Because we had a rejection of that previous daily low. Remember I said we haven't really retested it, so we retested it now. And then also this 200 on the 1 minute. So it's going to be a key level for the rest of the session. And then we've got our opening range here. So I'm actually even considering, believe it or not, weekly pivot. If we do something like this, Chad, and we come back inside here, we could get a nice pull. Even if US30 just pulls back half of the daily losses, we can get into a beautiful trade here today. So it's going to be a waiting game here. For the most part.
Long now. You're gonna go long.
No, I just want to see how we trade around this this opening range.
Yeah,
Buy signal on
the buy
gold,
isn't bad,
Chris.
bro.
Okay, guys, remember Project Linda running in Trading Room 1. Let me check there.
Things for me, gold. I like the bar. I just don't know about exactly where it is yet. That's my only thing.
Damn, gold giving a strong buy signal. 24.91. They said it's solicited as financial advice. So they'll only share what's already been shared in the suite.
Yeah. Okay. I get that though. I get that.
Chad, who actually took profit on that sell with the cracker? Because that thing was literally millimeters. Like, Chad, when I say millimeters, I'm talking millipipettes. To be exact, it was 2 points away from take profit. Yes, I'm an idiot. Anyways. Okay, 13 minutes. US S&P Global Manufacturing PMI came out as 47.9. Previous was 48, Chad. So if you guys were wondering, previous 48 came out as 47.9. Slight misty. Yo, US 30 absolutely crumbling now. Yo.
And you know the best part about this,
cracker, bro.
is
the
I
cracker.
literally, my trade that closed was literally the high.
They see your stops, my bro.
Bro.
They see your stops. That's what I'm telling you. These oaks see your stops.
Oh my word.
Okay, so now we know. Don't fight the cracker. Is that what you're telling me? Don't fight the cracker. We actually would have added a position
The cracker's a
because
beast, bro.
you see that if we took the original cracker.
Yeah.
Hey, Chad, but it happens. It happens. I'm honest, Chad. I said I'm not gonna have any FOMO with it, even if it runs now.
Yeah.
But it's just good to know. Good to know the cracker works, geeks. So we're not gonna doubt the cracker anymore. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
No doubting
I have
the
faith
cracker.
in the cracker.
Even if it's whack, sometimes you got to give it some crack. But even the second one, Keeks, is also still in line with, let's call it the deeper model of the cracker. The second entry was actually not a bad entry.
Oh,
it was slightly lower than our original entry, but it was...
You wouldn't take your idea on the cracker now. To be fair,
Sure.
You are 1 minute till news.
Sure.
So, yeah, no long.
No, so I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna tell you why. If you check here, let me just throw on my chart quickly, Chad. Remember what I said? I would love for it to do this. And what I will say is, Keeks, what I will say is, if we reject here this opening range, if we reject there, and we cannot close back in the range, I will 100% go for the short. And you can also see where it lines up. You check there where it lines up. So then that is the one idea. The second idea, because that's the weekly pivot, the second idea is that the news comes out and we break back in here, and then that long for me. Then we still have a lot of room to go to the upside. I feel things could get very spicy here. Very, very spicy. Unless we really punch it. If news punches it out like the other day, Chad, what I will say is if news comes out in, it's still 10 minutes though.
Yeah.
If we get a big punch out, Chad, I might even take a buyer. If we get a massive, massive punch out here, it's going to be a quick in and out though. Let's check. Let's check here. Big punch. Is that big enough? It's not big enough for me. Yeah, Chad, if you want to, you can take a little stab here, but it's not big enough for me. It needs to really punch down like a big candle. Yeah, there's not a lot of room here. There's not a lot of room, and you can go for like a quick 30, like there. In and out, 30 points.
Bro, I might take a gold long.
A gold long. Yeah. A gold long. Yeah, Chad. No, I'm gonna wait. This year. There's enough time. There's enough time for us. I don't feel we need to rush anything here. I think we're gonna just taper it back a little bit. Technically, we should have been done already, but we wanted to add a little layer to the stream. Hey, Kicks, you don't want the stream to finish so early today. That's why you didn't take the cracker. Chad, he told me, he's like, Chris, I know the cracker is going to work. I don't want to end the stream early today. Yo, so that cracker would have done, dude, we would have added a position, but it didn't feel right for me. I'm honest, dude, it felt very uncomfortable.
It was very uncomfortable, bro.
Yo. No, it felt disgusting. Chad, here's that little move on USD I was talking about. Just 30 points. It's something that me and Keegan have been chatting about. But just to show you guys, just 30 points. So when it punches the cracker, let's just call it the cracker. This machine we got here on the left hand side. When it punches the cracker like this, you can go for a quick 30. That's why I said I don't have the balls for it, but if you had the balls for it, this is something I'll back test a little bit more. But yeah, quick little in and out, and you don't try and swing it because it's very likely that it's gonna re-break these lows again. So it's just a 30 point in and out. It's a little high stakes play, in and out. You don't stay around. You take your 30 points and you call it. Keeks, here's our play, dude. Rejection there. Weekly pivot. Daily S3.
That's coming, bro.
Just gonna have to wait for that news.
We're going to show people exactly why you trade news, or exactly why you shouldn't trade news.
Yeah, gold is cooked for me for the day. Just what are these markets pricing in, my dude? Markets are pricing something in, yeah.
Some good stuff on Friday.
That P is coming. 30 minutes before news. We go again. Dude, but okay, you don't drink a lot of water though.
No, not really.
Yeah, drinking 3 liters of water a day is gonna keep you busy, bro.
I'm still loving this gold long, bro. I don't know so much about the US study, but I am enjoying the gold long.
Really, you like the gold ones? Are you gonna take it? Okay, Chad, let me go pee quick for the next TP.
BTC it is. It's our indicator, my brother. And it's for the Project G members. Bar for the past 10 minutes. So yeah. How to join. My brother, do exclamation G. And then it's going to drop you a link there in the chat. There we go. Lyndon's helping you there. There you go. 2dstrading.com. That's how you join the group, my man. Why the monthly subscription Rand, not in USD? Because we are in South Africa, my brother. Rand is our home currency. Going long on gold. Yeah, bro. As I said, I do like the gold longs. How much in USD, my brother? Google it. Don't be lazy. Google it. Trade news keys. I'm not gonna trade this like before news for this. That's not worth it. I'll probably trade post news. We can bring our beloved country. Bro, you're gonna have News Squawk ready there to actually see quickly what the number comes out as.
I want to have it. I want to have it. It will be halved. I'll be having it. All right. What time? 2 minutes. I think we really need to look into that little pullback play, the punch. We can call it the punch.
The punch.
The punch. Because how many times have we seen it happen now? Obviously, I got scammed the one day when I wanted to take the punch offline. But Chad, you're the punch. Call it the punch trade. Alright, here we go, here we go. Firm sell a record 29 corporate bonds in the US high grade market via Bloomberg. Okay, Chad. 50 seconds gonna come out relatively quickly here. Alrighty, Chad, Chad, the session's not done yet, so for the puppers and dippers, I'm telling you guys, stick around. Session is far from done. We have not even received the news yet. There's a ton of volume that's still going to come in the market. If you thought the session is done, not by any means. The session is not close to done. All right. All right, here we go. 8 seconds. Feels like an NFP.
If this gives us a positive number.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Waiting.
Update, yeah.
So they're not very fast, though.
I think they're also still waiting for it. There we go.
47.2.
Yeah. 47.2 versus 47.
Is a higher number.
Okay, 44.
Chad, I'm going to take a little sneaky grab at it.
What are you taking? A long?
US 30.
US 30 long.
Short.
Short. Yo. Kicks. What are you doing, my brother?
I'm just trying to see, yeah, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to just line up on the chart where it is for you guys. It's like over there.
Kicks. Okay, aggressive here this morning or afternoon. Wherever you are in this fine world. Alrighty, Keegan is playing it aggressive here, Chad. Aggressive. Is that 60 points or 30 points?
60.
60. Dude, it looks tiny. What? 60 points.
I'm going to give it a little bit more, Chad. Then I'm going to go break even because it's not the exact entry, for me. Okay, Chad, I'm break even. I'm going to see what we can get out of this. Can we get to the weekliest one? But I am break even, Chad.
Yo, is someone going out for the weekliest one? Shit. Shit. Shit.
Gotta be aggressive sometimes, bro.
Yeah, you gotta be. Gotta be. Sheesh, kicks. Yo, there we go.
Chad, I'm taking it. I'm out.
Hey, what a G. How
There
much
we
is
go.
that? 90?
90, yeah, because it was 3%
Yo,
for
beautiful.
me. Yeah, I'm out, Chad.
That's ballsy. I have to give it to you.
That's
That
news trading, bro.
is-
You
that
gotta
is
be
ballsy.
aggressive.
That is ballsy.
Hey, they can run, guys, but I'm out. That's news trading. Keegs, I think you're good. No, I appreciate it, Dale, but yeah, as I said, I'm not going to be greedy. I took a loss that basically recouped the loss and gave me profits for the day, so that's why I'll call it there. But as I said, definitely weekly S1. Reason being, if you guys see here, 15 minutes, you've got clear traffic, so you had to break a low. You guys have got momentum. Weekly S1, there we go. Literally, it's about to be smashed. Yeah, there you guys go. If you're holding it, as I said, I'm not holding it purely just to be not greedy about it. But I think that was a good way to start it, guys. Get ourselves in the W's, in the profits, yeah, for the week. That's how we react to news. There's the full TP for you guys. So if you guys held, that was 180 pips there for you guys. So beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. Dan made 1% so far with my gold buy last night and the 2 USD trades today. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. Quick in and out.
Do I take a buy just for shits and giggles here? Just for vibes. Gigs, I think I might.
The
Chad,
gold,
bro. Chad, I took it long.
Did you really?
I took it long, Chad. I'll go over to my screen. It's worth it. It's worth it. Yeah. Just looking, it's the punch. It's the punch. It's the punch trade. So
Are you on your screen, bro?
yeah,
Oh,
I put
there,
it
there.
on. Chad took it there. Worth a shot. Yeah. Worth a shot. The
Bro,
idea.
so what is...
yeah,
Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. My stuff loaded.
the idea here is that we've never tested that, retested a weekly pivot level. I might take 2 stabs at this. So if this one does not play, I just want to let you guys know where I'm going to go break even. Let me just set my... What am I doing, dude? I was just set... Okay, I set my stop loss. Okay, here we go. Okay, wait. Okay, so Chad, the idea here is the following. If we hit 41,185, that's where I'll go break even. 41,185. It's the punch trade. It's dubbed the punch. Okay.
Bro, we literally have an arsenal of strategies.
Yeah, it's the punch. This one we dub the punch. And we going up there, yeah. Okay. So let me just check. Yeah. Okay, the punch strat, we going, I'm gonna say save TP is there. Alright. Going for a 60-point stop, which is somewhere down there. Very aggressive, Chad. We're catching falling knives here. Similar idea to that previous little pullback. It's just a little pullback play. We're not swinging for the fences. We purely want to see a retest of that weekly pivot. Okay. This level is coming down all the way. We're back now. Yeah, that's the break even level, because that's where we can reject to continue lower, or we can just continue lower either way. Yeah. So
I might take that buy on gold, bro. No, I don't want to sound like I'm a machine gun in here. Like, I'm purely testing things here. Chris knows what I'm going to be looking at. And because I basically have a free shot now.
just let me know when I must go on your screen.
Yeah, I'll let you know if I take
Okay.
it. Technically I should there now.
Chad, so 50 points we go break even. It's at, let me just measure here. 41,172. This is moving lower all the way. So let's see. Can we get something here? Or is it just gonna go punch for the weekly S1? Yeah, nobody's buying here. No buys here. Yeah, Chad might close at break even in the next couple of minutes. I just want to see if we're not getting anything here, it just means that there's a lot of air pockets down lower. So we're going to need to see some type of bounce here. Even if it's just to here for us to go break even, but we're going to need to see some type of pullback. Just a little something. Just for the buyers to nibble on. Nothing massive. Just a little nibble. Just give the guys a little bone there. Throw the bulls a bone. Leave the dogs alone. Time to get in the zone. Okay, that's me. Leave the dogs alone. Throw a dog a bone. Let me just pull my take profit. If my take profit maybe gets slipped up 200 points.
Come on, gold, don't run. Don't run.
Chad, if we start consolidating, yeah, it's consolidating for the next move lower. So I'm just letting you guys know I'm going to give it a little bit more, but we're going to need to see some type of buyers just stepping in here. If it starts consolidating, it's setting up for the next move. We're going to need to see some type of buying coming in. So I'll let you guys know, but we're going to need to see some type of selling pressure alleviated here. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty tough to buy at these lows.
Okay, I'm taking the shot here, guys. Not necessarily where I want to take it, but at the end of the day,
let's just put it on Keegan's screen. Okay, sure, we're firing today. All cylinders, cylindricals.
1 to 2.
Chad, the buyers are not stepping in here. Buyers are not stepping in here. I'm going to give it 1 more minute after this. 1 more minute. Buyers are not coming in. Going to give it 1 more minute. Let's see if we can get a push. But
I got slipped there. That's nice.
let me just bring this back quickly. see. Let's see. Okay, Chad, we're now at a level. Sorry, Keys, I'm just gonna throw on my screen. This 1 minute candle, this specific one, needs to close above here. Okay, we need to close above there. If we do not close above there on this 1 minute, I'm just gonna go break even. Okay, this 1 minute needs to close above that range. So 25 seconds. If not, the buyers are done. Then this is the range that it's going to sell from, and then we're going to go punch these weekly S1 levels. Okay, so wait 10 seconds. It's too close to my entry, won't even able. What is that? Yeah, chat, I want to try and go break even. Okay, stops are at break even. I've gone break even on this trade purely because that level there. Okay, out, break even.
Yeah.
Break even.
I already killed that thing quickly, guys. It's not showing me what I want to see. I'm already out of it. It would need to be a quick, aggressive run. And yeah, I'm not going to be in that pricey range now. So I'll rather kill it quick.
30 points. Oh no, flip 6.
I'll keep my win.
Okay, wait, sorry man, let me just throw over to your screen.
I'm out of it already, bro.
Did it stop you?
No, I closed out.
Okay, just show it. Sorry man, I was on my screen the entire time.
Yeah, no guys, so basically, yeah, I entered there basically on this trade. So literally that candle closure, we went bearish, waited the next candle, the factor did that. I basically closed there, it slipped me basically over here somewhere, but yeah, killed the trade quick, because I needed to almost be like a rush, like a run. Not getting that, obviously 2 candles loading here, so yeah, I'd rather jump out of it.
Yeah, Chad, that was brilliant management here from us. There was a specific reason why I said that candle had to punch there. So for the punch to be valid, and there you go. That is the reason why we went break even.
Yeah, no, that's it for me, bro. I'm not gonna take anything else now. Yeah, USD punching that now.
If US30 punches that weekly S1, I'm gonna go for it. That's gonna be my last one.
What, for a short?
Long.
Again?
Same play, the punch play. If it punches below it, I'm going for it. That's gonna be my last bullet. 2 break evens, that punch play, that's gonna be the last one. I actually wanted to. We should actually be in again, Chad. We should actually be in again. You know what? How much is this? Let me just measure it. 15. Dude, did I miss it? Okay, Chad, I'm going with my last one. Last one, I promise. Entry was there. Okay, last one for me. Let me just pull. Okay, 60 points. Okay. 60 points. That's the stop. Wait, could be, yeah, 60 points looking like 10 pips. Last one for me, Chad. Last one. I still feel like we're going to need to pull back to that weekly pivot and that opening range break area. Last bullet for me. This is the play. And if we get it, we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. As simple as that. There's a lot of slack in this rope. They're going to need to pull it tight. And let's see. Can't believe that everyone is a bear coming out of a long weekend. Labor Day, come on. support the US economy. And very simple for me, Chad. If this play is gonna work, if it's gonna work, we're gonna need to trade back above here. That is very simple. That's the level that I'm gonna monitor. If we can trade back above there, we're gonna take it layer by layer. If not, we just take it straight on the chin. The punch play, let's see. Weekly S1. If we can't even attract buyers at the weekly S1, what are we doing? All right. What are we doing? Bro, I can't believe there's nobody buying after a long weekend. I thought like everyone's gonna be like, seems like everyone waited for the market to sell.
Hey, bro, I wanted to sell, so I'm complaining.
I feel like Dave Portnoy now. These markets just keep on selling. Who are these guys selling the market? Okay, Chad, let's see. Let's see, can we get a massive play here today? This could be the biggest one on stream yet, 210 points. But we're first gonna need to start getting off the lows before we do anything. Yeah, dude, there's literally there's no buyers here, Chad. There is no buyers here. I've got a feeling if we can't get through this zone, this could be one of those days where the buyers are just going to get punished to pieces, Chad, where if they're not going to, you're not going to see relief. It's just going to be, everyone's going to try doing what I'm doing now. And the boys are going to be like throwing out little dabs in the market. And if it doesn't play, they're just going to sell off again. So they're going to throw like little biscuits. And if nobody's biting, they're just going to be like, bro, no more biscuits. Throw out a little biscuits. Any buyers here? Anyone looking to buy? No? Yes? Okay. But so far, so good. Let's see. A little biscuit play. Might go from the punch play to the biscuit play, Keeks.
Hey.
The biscuit punch. Come on, US30. Do something for the bulls, guys. This is for capitalism. Do it for the capitalists. I'm going to go B on that one, Chris, and let it run all day. Yeah, Peter, I'm going to give it a little bit more room because we can come back to test that weekly S1. But yeah, I'm going to give it a little bit more room. I just want to see what we do here. It is pretty volatile. And I feel like, Chad, I've seen this movie. I've seen this movie so many times. That right there. That little news scandal there, Price is going to want to go back there. Price is going to want to go back there. And I've seen the movie. I've seen it many a time. And then as you're in the markets and the markets are moving, you get a little bit emotional. You get a little bit excited. It's almost like that first date. You don't really know what's her name. And things get a little bit... heated, but anyways, so let's see. We've seen this movie. Now let's watch it play out. That's the big thing. Let's watch it play out. Let's give it a bit of room. Dude, in all honesty, if we took our trades how we would have, and even these extra trades, we would have had like a massive day, dude. Like one of the biggest days.
Yeah, I know you would have had a big day. I think this is good, bro. There's a gap there now, and it's obviously a news candle. I think you really could get this. I think it might continue bearish after that, so But I think you could get it.
I'm honestly thinking low-hanging fruit for me is here, Keeks. The low-hanging fruit there, 170 points. That's the low-hanging fruit.
Oh yeah.
Chad, I might even go. I'm gonna set my TP there. If it just punches up, it's 160 points. Let's see if we get it. If not, we don't. But like I mentioned, we're gonna need to hold here at least. Otherwise, this thing is just gonna continue to die. No buyers. Here's the thing. You don't need more buyers. You need people to stop selling. Like, stop selling your stock now.
Yeah, you need the sellers to be taking their TP now and like
Sellers, get out now. Give the bulls a little run, yeah. Just give us a little dabski. Let us spread our wings and fly a little bit. Alright. You guys did what you needed to do. Let us fly a little bit. Alright. No need to sit around the fire alone. Dude, this is technically the firecracker TP right here. 60.
That day, is that the...
That's 60 points, my dude. Or it was up. It was up basically 1 R.
That's wild. That's wild, bro.
No, the bears are like, no, dude, we're not gonna give you guys any rest here. Chad, I'm just gonna go break even. I don't know what they're doing with us. They are playing with us here at this stage. I've gone break even.
What's everything else doing? So Nasdaq's also trying to reverse. Gold's kinda holding its feet. DXY is
Chad,
pumping,
I've just gone break even. It's the buyers are not stepping in, Chad. There's literally no one's buying the shit down here. Not even a biscuit. They've been throwing out milk, biscuits, everything. Nothing. Everyone is like, we don't want any part of this. Low as ISM manufacturing disappoints. Nobody's buying here. Guys, you can feel free to take your profits. That is technically a firecracker play that was given to you again. So technically 2 TPs, 2 points shy. I'm literally just holding it out here. See if we can get something here. Let me go pee quick. Maybe when I pee, you're gonna see this big ass 1 minute candle somewhere up there. Check it.
Hey, Chris starting the manifestation here again now. Guys, I'm actually gonna laugh if Chris comes back here and this manifestation candles happened. Oh my word, I'm gonna laugh now when he comes back. Watch him. Oh my word, guys. I'm telling you, he's gonna come back and he's like, oh my word, I told you. Inverse shampoo pattern. Yeah, I just said inverse middle finger. You see guys there, his pee took too long. So now it's like, okay, you don't want it. God, I think does need a Chris teleportation candle.
Let's see. Bro, it's not buying. So, Chad, I'm going to be honest with you. As much as I want to be hopeful for the buys, this is one thing the market has taught me. If price is not getting away from a level, it's very likely there's no demand in that zone. Okay? The way that we're grinding here is this range right here could be the range that they consolidate before doing what they did here. And that's why I'm saying the way it's ranging here, they can just punch it again. You can see another leg down to that daily zone down there. So I've seen it so many times. It's not even that I'm not hopeful. I would love for this trade to just run. But if there's an impulsive move to a level and they consolidate it, don't think they're going to reverse it. Okay? If we were going to reverse, we would have been up here already a long time ago. So no, it's not even about drawing, dude. It's just purely about market mechanics. If there's a level, if there was demand here, people would have bought this up. We would have been trading here already. They're consolidating it to take it lower again. But I'm break even with that outside chance that we do get a little bit of a pop. My only thing is the reason why I still potentially like the long is we did not retest the zone. That zone was not fully retested. Alright. So okay, let's see. Are we gonna hit breaks here? Yeah, break even has been hit, Chad. Break even has been hit. And there's no edge now with the punch. Now edge was there. Yeah, nothing. Yes, bro. What a day. 3 break evens. Chad, look at this. There was the sell. It break even there. Died. There was the buy, break even, died. There was the buy, break even. Could this run? It could, but there's no advantage point for me. Did they just come and take us? That's fine. If they run it now, beautiful. If you're still in, I'm telling you guys now, somewhere during today, they're going to come test that level. Weekly pivot, but for me, Keegs, I don't know, are you?
I was done long ago, bro.
You were done.
I was just watching you trade, yeah.
Draw that candle, Chris. Yeah, Chad, I think that's me for the session. I don't think I'm going to take anything else. I just think it's testament again, Keeks. I don't know why we doubt the cracker. If we stuck to our guns on the cracker, we would have had 2 sells in. We wouldn't have caught that entire move because I think we would have mentally we would have been out. So, but 2 positions, the sells working beautifully. Busy session though, damn. Busy session. The wet powder gang getting a lot of bang for their buck here today. You guys got some money's worth here today. Oh yeah, and you still got that mid-range sell, yeah. Yes, so the boys really got. Chad, you guys got a lot of bang for your buck. Rolio got the G's on toes, hey man. A man is lurking somewhere. We don't know where.
Nah, guys, as I said, I'm done long ago. I'm waiting for my boy here to finish up.
No, I'm done, bro. If you want to go
Then
full screen,
bro.
full screen chats. Full screen chats.
Yeah, guys, interesting one today. This is what I think trading should be. It should be fun, should be quick, should be there. London session just not it for me lately. I'm actually enjoying trading. I'm enjoying my New York sessions. So yeah, this one today, good fun. Shows you what happens when news comes into a market. Can also help just really drive in the direction you want to go. You're not getting those ranges. But as always, one doesn't know when to quit. So call it a day, walk away,
Winners know when to stop.
and we'll be back tomorrow. So any closing remarks from you, bro?
No, Chad, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. Just be very careful. I've seen the other side of this movie as well. We didn't get off the session lows, so if you're gonna continuously pick at that session lows and nobody's biting, that little step they do, like I mentioned to you guys, these are big players just throwing out some orders, checking if there's anyone would bite. If nobody's biting, they take their bait off the hook and they let it sink. So just be very careful. If you're going to play that game, I've played that game in the past. I've made a lot of money and I've cried a lot of tears as well. So take it from me. Play it carefully. If you still have a bullet, go for it. If you want to take it off that weekly S1, could be a move that happens maybe before lunchtime or even after the New York lunchtime. So it's only 10:30 now. So the boys are getting settled in. So maybe they push it before lunch, get a few bars in, and then resume the selling after lunch. But Chad, for me, I think it was a good day, good management of trades. I think the lesson we're going to take away today is the firecracker. We've seen it at a weekly high, we've seen it at a weekly low, we've seen it before news, we've seen it after news. It works. Again, it showed us today. But in hindsight's always better than foresight. But Keegs, awesome session, my brother. And Keegs, that trade there, ballsy. Love it. Love it. That trade Keegs took after the fundamental event, missing target. Made the call, executed. That takes some balls. So well done.
I appreciate it, bro. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So as always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.